What do you know about black holes? A black hole is a region of spacetime where gravity is so strong that nothing, even light, can escape from it. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope collaboration released the first image ever recorded of a black hole. So far, astronomers have identified 3 types of black holes: stellar black holes, supermassive black holes, and intermediate black holes. A stellar black hole is a black hole formed by the gravitational collapse of a star. Supermassive black holes are millions or even billion of times as massive as the Sun, but are about the same size in diameter. Intermediate black holes are the mid-size black holes and the missing link between the other 2 kinds. Time does stop at the event horizon of a black hole, but only as seen by someone outside the black hole. Astronomers estimate that the Milky Way has anywhere from 10 million to 1 billion stellar black holes.